In a continent marked by division and struggle, one man rose not as a soldier, but as a teacher. Julius Nyerere, known simply as Mwalimu, the teacher, transformed Tanzania and became one of Africa's most respected leaders. His story is not just about politics, it is about humility, vision, and the power of unity. Julius Nyerere was born in 1922 in a small village in Tanganyika, under colonial rule. Unlike many leaders of his era, his journey began not in the military, but in the classroom. He studied abroad, becoming the first Tanganyika to earn a university degree. But instead of chasing wealth or comfort, he returned home to teach. This decision shaped the rest of his life, for Nyerere believed that true leadership was service. When Tanganyika gained independence in 1961, Nyerere became its first prime minister and later the first president of Tanzania. His dream was to unite over 120 tribes into one nation. Through his philosophy of Ujamaa, or African socialism, he promoted equality, rural development, and self-reliance. While his economic model faced challenges, his ability to forge national unity remains unmatched in Africa's history. Nyerere was not only a leader for Tanzania, he was a leader for Africa. He opened Tanzania's doors to liberation movements across the continent, from South Africa to Mozambique. His voice was strong at the Organization of African Unity, calling for African solidarity against colonialism and apartheid. Many freedom fighters considered him a mentor, a quiet force guiding Africa toward independence. Even after stepping down from power in 1985, Nyerere remained a symbol of integrity. He lived simply, without wealth or extravagance, proving that leadership is not about riches, but about values. Today, he's remembered as the man who gave Tanzania peace, unity, and dignity. Across Africa, he's celebrated as one of the few leaders who left power with honor and respect intact. Julius Nyerere's story reminds us that true leadership is not about power, but about service. His vision for unity still inspires Africa today. What do you think? Does Africa still need leaders like Mwalimu? Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more stories of Africa's greatest visionaries.